Tool change, 2 to 2, 1 second. Chip to chip, 2 seconds.
(8,000 RPM). (10,000 RPM). (12,000 RPM). (15,000 RPM).
Program transfer RS-232 and RJ-45 for the Ethernet connection. 2 standard coolant pump, 1 regular coolant pump, the other is a chip flushing pump. All the Fanuc drive and the Fanuc motor, they all come with 2 years standard warranty. Removal chip bucket, dumping the chips. Inside, that's an internal chip auger to discharge the chips to the rear side of the machine. This is an air tank for counterweight balance.
Our QP machines come standard with the Fanuc OI-MD controls. And with those controls comes a manual guide OI. In order to get into the manual guide OI, you simply have to hit the CAP button on the screen while inside of a program. And you pick what type of functionality you want to use. You can do drilling, pocketing, facing, or grooving with all sorts of different patterns. For example, take the drill. With the drill, you can choose center drilling, regular drilling, tapping, reaming, or boring. For sake of example, we will choose the regular drill. And then you may choose all these different options. For example, no dwelling, dwelling, or pecking drilling, or high-speed peck drilling. And you may assign all of these different variables that have very clear descriptions in order to provide the acceptable result. And after this, you then hit the figure button in order to determine which pattern you would like to drill. And there's all sorts of options: lines, patterns, squares, even circles and arcs. Here our options are already pre-selected. So when you hit end and out, the G code comes out. And then that's it.